Hi friends, today we will learn how to insert thick border text in PowerPoint 365. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to insert thick border text in this presentation. Go to the new slide option, then choose title and content slide. Now we add title, then select the title text and increase the font size. Then apply the bold effect, then go to the shape format menu and click the text outline and choose red color outline. Then click the fill color option and choose no fill. Then again go back the text outline color and increase the white. Then we can see we make this text thick border text. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.